Alright, what is up YouTube? This is Ayush Sharma, and in this video we are starting with an end-to-end series on anabolics. That series will be one of the most extensive series on anabolics on YouTube. I have divided this entire course into 15 different modules where each module will have its own submodules. So, this will be a pretty long series which will cover a lot of things about anabolics. I will be uploading videos on a regular basis. If you are looking for detailed knowledge on these concepts, you can join me in this journey and I will try my level best to make you understand each and every concept in layman terms. We will start from very basics and then eventually move on to advanced and interesting topics. I am pretty much sure if you follow these videos, you will be learning a lot from them. So, if you like my initiative, let me know by leaving a comment and a thumbs up below. Let's talk about the modules we will be covering in this entire series. In module 1, we will be covering an anabolic overview where we will be looking at topics such as testosterone, anabolic effects, free and bound testosterone, estrogen aromatization, DHT conversion, side effects, and some others. In module 2, we will look at some practical applications and topics including steroid cycles, post cycle therapy, off cycle therapy, blood test, etc. In module 3, we will talk about some common used anabolic steroids such as Anadrol, Anavar, Datadurabolin, Dianabol, Equipos, Mastron, Trenbolone, Sustanon, Winstrol, and many more. In module 4, we will cover anti-estrogens such as Arimidex, Clomid, Nolvadex, Taslat, and Femara. Module 5 is about anti-prolactin. Module 6 is about appetite stimulants. Module 7 is about cardiovascular support. Module 8 is about diuretics. Module 9 is about endurance drugs. Module 10 is about fat loss agents. Module 11 is about growth hormone. Module 12 is about hypoglycemics and hypotensives. Module 13 is about liver support. Module 14 is about reductase inhibitors. Module 15 is about testosterone stimulating drugs. So these are the 15 modules and each module we will cover in depth. We will be covering all these modules one by one. If you have any theories or if you want to ask anything, leave a comment below and I will make sure to clear that. In upcoming videos, we will start from module 1. If you want to get notified about those videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon too. By this, I Ayush Sharma signs off and have a nice day.